What are the benefits of eating celery? If you love to eat celery, you're still reaping all of these amazing benefits. Celery is high in electrolytes, vitamins, and fiber and can be an easy addition to lunch or a snack by serving raw. Now, what are those health benefits if you eat celery? Here's what happens to your body when you chomp on this green veggie stick. Number 1. Celery can help fight cancer cells. Antioxidants are the name of the cancer-fighting game, and if you eat celery, it's chock full of them. Antioxidants help neutralize cancer-forming cells in the body and restore damaged cells. These nutrients are powerful. Celery contains apigenin and lutein. Both are antioxidants that may reduce the risk of cancers and protect the body from free radical damage. Number 2. You may lower blood pressure. Potassium is the superstar electrolyte known for managing blood pressure. Improve your blood pressure naturally through increasing high potassium veggies like celery. Following a diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains and low in sodium is actually proven to lower your blood pressure with diet alone. Check out these foods to lower your blood pressure through diet changes. Number 3. Your blood might be thicker. Vitamin K is found in most green veggies, and is responsible for slightly thickening your blood and improving blood clotting. This improves your body's ability to respond to minor cuts or injuries via blood clotting. Number 4. You'll be more regular. High in fiber, celery will help improve digestion by keeping you regular. If you struggle with eating enough fiber, munching on a cup of raw celery can help meet the daily fiber recommendation of 25 to 38 grams. Celery is low in calories and high in water content. And it's super crunchy. Number 5. You'll burn extra calories. Celery is credited as one of the only foods that cause you to burn more calories than you take in. At only 9 calories per stalk, this is due to the thermic effect of food. In other words, the amount of calories it takes the body to simply digest and absorb celery is greater than the total calories in celery. If you love celery, you're in luck. Number 6. You will shed water. Thanks to PHT halides, a compound in veggies that is credited with removing excess fluid, celery's natural diuretic effect will assist in flushing water from the body. If you're feeling puffy, no need to overdo it on over-the-counter supplements. Load up on cruciferous vegetables like celery to help beat the bloat. Number 7. You'll be more hydrated. As a source of electrolytes, celery will help move water into your cells to naturally hydrate you. If you're feeling particularly parched, keep celery cut and packaged in your fridge to snack on when you go to get a drink of water. Electrolytes are specifically important around exercise. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.